Alrighty, Howard's hooked up. Seems like a pretty decent one. Oh, I'm getting bit too, Howard.
Here, take yours.
Oh, I got him too. Here, oh, I got him too.
Oh, that's a nice one, dude.
Is it?
That's a nice one, dude. Set the camera down.
It's on me. Can you come get it? Yeah. Oh, it's a good one.
Real nice one.
Howard, you gotta come get the camera. All right, Howard. All right, that's
Because yours is bigger.
Is he?
Yeah, he's way bigger.
Oh man. Oh, he's a good one.
He's real nice. He's big little.
Oh my goodness, I didn't realize that.
Oh.
Let's get ready. Just hold on, easy, nice and easy.
Just take your time. Mine's hooked pretty well.
Is yours big?
No, he's like the same size as I'm catching.
Oh, get him. Yeah, baby.
Oh, yeah.
All right, hold on. That's a toad. That's a toad. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
All right, guys.
Here, get us away from the boat right there.
Oh.
This is a shit show, but it's a good
This is a shit show, but it's a fun one.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
Look at that.
There's that, and then Norris, go grab your fish.
All right.
Here, let's get the release on this one quick.
Yeah, let's get a release on this one.
There's this one, just a little 2-pounder. Now this one,
Hold it right here, but
a little double hookup.
a little morning dawn, chartreuse, doing my thing. That's a nice. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. That is a nice fish. Look at that sucker. All right, guys, just a beautiful smallmouth right there. Gotta love it. Flipping docks with drop shots, or not really flipping, casting. But yeah, oh, she's a good one.
Catch it there.
We got some fans.
Right under your dock. All right, there she goes. And there she goes, back to swim another day. Let's get some more, baby. Oh yeah, Howard. This is a chunk. You toss me the net. And then the big camera too. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. There we go, baby. That's a pretty smallie. All right, guys, that's a chunk right there. That's just a football small jaw right there. Just drop shot.
Let's see those colors, huh?
Yeah, let's see those colors. It's a pretty fish.
Turn them the other way.
Look at that, barely hooked. It's been a drop shot bite all day long yesterday as well. Pretty fish right there. Gorgeous. All right, let's get it loose. All right, let's get some more. There we go. Feels like a decent one right there. Oh, Howard, net.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, huge. Oh, come here, you. Oh, maybe not that big, but when he jumped, yeah, he's a good fish. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's digging. Jeez. My rod, dude. Oh, baby. All right, guys. Chunk smallmouth right there. Get a little size comparison.
It's pretty big.
He's a nice one.
I'd say that's a 3.
Yes, sir. All right, let's get a release.
See that chartreuse tip?
Dude, I'm telling you, that chartreuse tip gets him real fired up. Whoa. Cool guy over here. There you go. Decent. Guys, Howard's hooked up here. Oh, it's a decent one. Get him in. There we go. What?
Hurt my hands.
Dude, they dig.
Brick wall. Holy brick wall, your mouth.
Bring them on in here, Howard. Oh, extendo netto.
All right.
All right.
I don't know it extends. Now we're cooking with peanut oil.
All right, all right, all right. Folks at home, folks at home.
This has now got a decent fish in the boat.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Not bad over there, guys.
Sweet, all right. Let's get a little, here, hold on. Great release. Woo! People in their f***ing engines around this place. Oh, baby. He's coming up. Oh. Alrighty. Here we go, guys. It's just a small, started releasing water from the dam. And they're starting to bite. They are starting to bite. Oh, he's spitting up crawfish.
What does that mean?
He must be eating shad. Alright, guys. A small one, but he's a pretty one. Good one? How big? Yeah. Really? Yeah. See him real quick?
Alright. Little largemouth. First one of the day. Nice little fatty.
There you go.
Here.
Little fatty.
A little fatty.
I don't know what the largemouth's doing over here. It's more of a smallmouth spot, but we will take the largemouth.
Yeah.
Let's get a little release.
Woo!
Alright guys, that concludes it out here at the Colorado River. I just put the boat on the trailer. About to head back to Phoenix. Got some stuff to do down there. Wish we could stay longer, but no, it's been a great trip. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video if you want to see some more small jaws and big bass. Alright, catch you later.
Well, folks, as you can see here, we're pretty shallow, and I got a snag. Now let me show you how to save about $3. I'm using a tungsten drop shot weight and beautiful Gary Yamamoto. Here we go, folks. That's how it's done. That's how it's done.
Dude, look at all that sunscreen. And he got his tungsten weight back.
Water's nice. The water is nice.
Dude, you look like you're like just died or something. All that sunscreen's all white now.